Gary, this is Mike. I'm just south of Union City. I'm 2 miles south of Union City. We have a rapidly rotating wall cloud right here in front of us.
Okay.
People in Union City need to be taking cover, Gary. I don't see a tornado off the ground at this moment, but it could go at any moment.
Okay, so you say you're in Union City or just a little south? Yeah, I believe he said he's in the Union City area. And
half a mile in front of us, getting ready to the mesocyclone.
What we'll do.
This is the Yukon Emergency Operations. We are under a severe tornado warning. Please take shelter to the inside part of your house. This is the Yukon Emergency Operations Shelter. We are under a tornado warning, and please take shelter in the center part of your house.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator. If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator.
One to 2 miles north. Folks, so we're looking right in here. So here's Interstate 40. Right up in here is downtown sections of El Reno. So keep that in mind. It could put down another tornado in that area. Okay. We have another tornado warning. This is the one we had the circulation on Viper just minutes ago. So